Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, cool and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more videos and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you a beautiful style of tying Afghani turban, and that's very beautiful. So let's see how can I tie this beautiful Afghani turban. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up. Leave your beautiful comments below because I'm waiting for that. And Allah Hafiz till my next videos.